Do you want to crack CAT or do you want to truly deserve an iron seat? Because CAT is not just an exam, it's a test of clarity, consistency, and mindset. And that's exactly why ForAllPrep exists. ForAllPrep is a CAT preparation platform built to help serious CAT aspirants crack the CAT right way. We are founded by Prince Shukla, CAT 2024 99.93 percentile, IIT and IIM alumnus, and Himanshu Bhatt, who is NIT and IIM alumnus. And they are your mentor who have been exactly where you are today and know what it truly takes to get in. On ForAllPrep, you don't just get random videos or recycled content, you get daily concept-focused videos on DILR, quants, and VARC built to help you improving your fundamentals step by step so that discipline doesn't become struggle, but becomes your habit. We also bring you very short national and international news highlights so that you start preparing for your business acumen from day one, which would be helpful in your GDs, PIs, and your MBA journey ahead. If you're preparing for CAT 2026 or 27 and are tired of overpriced coaching, confusion, and inconsistent guidance, then ForAllPrep is for you. ForAllPrep. Let's crack CAT the right way.